Good morning, sir. My presentation topic is social readjustment rating scale. Before coming to social readjustment rating scale, we want to look what is stress. Stress is any type of change that causes physical, emotional, or psychological strain in a person, and it is also a bodily change or bodily response to anything that requires attention or action. It is stress is a normal bodily reaction that has been around for a long time, that has been very for a long time, and as an ancient phenomena, stress initially adapted to help us to cope the life-threatening situations, and socio-cultural development has been led to the particular lifestyle and stress, while still typical can be consequences if it lasts too long that can affect our physical emotional well-being. This is about stress, and now we can look what is SRSS, the social readjustment rating scale. The social, and it is also known as Holmes and Rahe stress scale. Holmes and Rahe are the persons who invented the scale in 1967, and it is said that it is a self-assessment tool for measuring total stress you are experiencing. It is a stress measuring tool that we experience in our lifelong, and it can help to respond effectively what the stress we face. And it is the social readjustment rating scale is established in 1967 by Holmes and Rahe. The researcher indicated that it is a link between that the researcher is studying the link between stressful lives event and illness. Now let's look the definition of SRRS, Social Readjustment Rating Scale. The Social Readjustment Rating Scale is a self-report measure of stress that measures the amount of stress a person has experienced and the likelihood that a person will develop stress-related illness. The scale allows a person to identify how high their risk is of developing stress-related illness. This is the definition of SRRS. Like here, Holmes and Rahe constructed a list of stressful events and asked a sample nearly 400 people to rate them in terms of their severity. Holmes and Rahe then took an average of each rating and to form the SRRS. For example, the death of the spouse 100, marriage 50, fired from work 47, and son or daughter leaves from the home 29. These are the scores which given by Holmes and Rahe in this social readjustment rating scale. These are the numbers known as life-changing units, and this is shortly called as LCUs. And when the scale is used in the research, the participants are asked to check off any of these 43 life events they have been experienced over a given time period. That means a 6 to 12 months, that in a 1 year, and the score are then totaled and used as an index for the amount of life stress and the participants has been experienced. As mentioned here, there are 43 life-changing units, and there are scores given to them. And now let's discuss how we can measure the social readjustment rating scale. And if the score is 150 or less than 150, there is a less chance of being ill due to the stress that is set by this social readjustment rating scale. And if the score is between 150 to 299, there is a 50%, that is a 50% chance of being ill due to stress in near future. And in a score of 300 or more, there is an 80% of chance for becoming ill in coming future, 80% due to the stress. That's how we measure the social readjustment rating scale. Now let's look the criticism of SRRS. Like it is too few item studies. Like it is very few item studies. There are many other life-changing units also, and it was developed by only using the peoples in England region of United States. The only England persons are respondents of this, and it does not take into a consideration of people's or appraisal or events. These are the criticisms of SRRS. So these were all the things which I want to cover in SRRS, Social Readjustment Rating Scales by Holmes and Rahe. On this, there are 43 life-changing units which is ordered in the basis of intensity and the length of the time which is necessary to accommodate with the life. And in this, Beverman and I was ranked the first and second position. And with this life-changing units, and by adding it, like if it comes in 150 to 300, we can rate the probability probability of coming illness due to stress. And this is all about the social readjustment rating scale. This will only about my topic. Thank you.